If you like jelly gouache, you should take a look at this new premium gouache paint from Arrtx. We're going to review it now. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to review this premium artist gouache from Arrtx. FYI, this video is not sponsored, I just like their products. So I've been using Arrtx jelly gouache for a while now, and I've never tried the Hemi gouache, but this paint is very similar. I mean, it even looks the same. I was pretty excited to see they came out with a premium gouache set, which they promise has professional pigmentation and a creamy finish. We will see. For a price comparison, their standard jelly gouache is around $18 for 18 different colors in 30 milliliter jelly cups. So that works out to about $1 per color or per 30 milliliter jelly cup. And the Arrtx Premium Gouache is about $17 for 9 different colors in 30 milliliter canisters of paint. So you can say that the price is roughly doubled. The front of the box reads that this paint is not easy to fade. The colors are vibrant and less glue is used. So let's take a look. Oh, that's cute. Okay, here's our little logo. I like that they have a little person on the moon drinking coffee. That's kind of cute. Or on a planet drinking coffee. I don't know. It's cute. A little Arrtx thank you card. And here are the colors. Okay, so it looks like some of these are opaque and some of them are half opaque. We have the green, violet, bright red, and yellow are half opaque. The rest should be solid. Okay, so they come in these little tiny pans. They are 30 milliliters each, I believe. So one of these is equivalent to one of these little jelly cups. They screw on very tight, so, oh, nice. That actually looks maybe a little bit thicker. I'm not sure. Okay, we're gonna swatch these out and see how they compare in color and transparency to the regular jellies. I guess we will start with yellow. This is light yellow. And this one's supposed to be semi-opaque, so we're not going to expect it to be very opaque. Oh, I see, okay. This was actually supposed to be the regular and not the pro, but I did it backwards, so. Oh, look at how pretty that is. I really like it. Very nice. Okay, there, I fixed it up. This is the pro side, this is the regular side, because I put it in the wrong place. All right, so now let's see the regular in comparison. I mean, this is not the same color yellow, obviously. I don't know, maybe the orange would have been a better comparison, but I'm using the yellow, so. Okay, let's just speed through this part. Here is our comparison. If you look closely, you can definitely see a difference between the two paints, especially once the paint is thinned. The premium gouache definitely has a smoother finish. It actually reminds me of some of my professional watercolors when it's watered down like this. I mean, here it looks like I added too much water on my brush and that's why it bloomed like that. But the premium gouache is noticeably smoother. And look at how the paint looks right out of the pan. You can see even when I applied the paint without watering it down, the premium paint is noticeably smoother. And quite honestly, I was just slapping the paint on the paper. I really wasn't concerned with trying to smooth out brush strokes or anything with either of the paint sets. My point is, you can definitely tell the formula is different and the premium gouache looks a lot better than the original. But having said that, I really love the regular jelly paint as well. I mean, I'm still going to be using both. There's definitely more colors in the jelly gouache set, and the colors are a little bit different from the premium set. So I don't see myself not using the jelly gouache anytime soon. As for the canisters, I love this upgrade. I'm continuously adding water to my jelly set so that it doesn't dry out. So it's going to be really nice to be able to open and seal individual containers to help make sure that they don't dry out. I also want to point out that this premium gouache is referred to as set A. I didn't see any others available at this time, any other sets, but I would imagine that that means there's going to be more sets in the future. Anyway, I'm really excited to start painting with this set. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time.